Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Chevy, Impala, Malibu, any car, GM, and the problem on this car is that hold on, let me turn the phone or answer the phone, please. See here, this is the car 2017 Impala LS. I am using TechLine Connect version 1.15. And I'm going to go here to SBS because already I'm communicating on it. And the reason why, because this car sometimes starts, sometimes doesn't. And we change the fuel control module, which is located here. This is the fuel control module, brand new. Anytime you change it, you have to program it. Those fuel pump control modules, they come in a different modules and different system. So now I'm gonna leave it there. If you see, I have the VIN number on the right side. I have the program, but I'm gonna go to replace and program is different. Be sure you have a good internet, then click on the green sign here. It's very long time that we did not do any programming. Now look here, it could be fuel pump control module, it could be chassis control module. So let's be sure that we can get electronic brake control, chassis control. You see chassis control module? Chassis control module, they change it from fuel pump control module to chassis control module, K38. Let me see if it's there too. Sometimes not. You see nothing. Nothing with the fuel pump. Instrument cluster, immobilizer, human machine, that for radio, navigation, electronic brake, chassis control module. So I'm going to click on chassis control module and I click next. This is apply for all Chevy, whether it's Impala, and I am using, okay, proceed. I am using the by token. Just be sure that you will be able to download the software because I'm using my hotspot. Yes, here now I see all the information. Just click next. Calibration, K39. Start programming. You have to download the software first from the server to the laptop. It's coming now. And now from here, we're gonna start programming it in this one. This takes some time. When it's finished, it says program it. The VIN number is here. Very simple, beautiful. I hear something make noise there. Maybe the software already there. Good. Now it's done. You can go with the same VIN number. You can do as many as you want. If you want to do anything else, no, this is later. If you want to do engine control module, for example, engine control module, see if there is any programming or any update. Okay, I'm checking if there is any update. How does it work? This is only a try. It will ask you, do you want it or not? But it will bring all the information if there is an update, any repair. Okay, this is just main operations. There is nothing to update. I'm gonna cancel it. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Don't close it, just see if the car gonna start. Turn the key off. I did not even show you how the car look like, but this is the car from inside. Please subscribe, share and like. Turn it on. Start. My car start. Perfect. Before it doesn't start, you crank it, nothing work. Battery charger, everything is gone. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and enjoy your drivability. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm using a regular VCX pass-through device. Any pass-through device J2534 capability. It will work. Okay, they did a lot of diagnostic on this car. Big engine. I'll show you how it looks from the front. That's the module that drives the fuel to the engine. Here is the engine computer. By the way, those newer cars, you cannot reprogram the old one. You have to have a brand new one. You can program it, download the software for the security, unless you have to come with something that it will help us to fix it. Here is the fuse box, relays, all the stuff. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.